everyone, my name is Shatat. Welcome back to my channel. And guys, come back to another video, a really amazing festive video which I have never tried, which is going to be look and makeup breakdown. Like for this video, I'm going to be deeply explaining all I used to achieve this makeup. So yes, really excited for this video. So without any further ado, let us get started. Okay, to give you guys the correct information, I have my notebook here. Like this में एक function, एक how to use और proper way में like अच्छे way में आप लोगों को मैंने समझाया like detailed version. So I hope you guys will love this video. As festive season is here, people are opting for highlighters, like heavy highlighters which they wear all day long using makeup fixers, but I won't go for it because that will harm my original skin and I don't really want to harm my skin during this festive seasons and कोई risk लेना नहीं चाहती हूँ मैं, तभी I don't wear highlighters and that's why I opt for normal natural makeup. And for that, like highlighter के tube के लिए I have this like MAC का essential oil. So essential oils give you that crystal clear effect as a primer or as a moisturizer. So yes, essential oils are dupe for your highlighters. So before starting the makeup, of course you need something to wash your face with off, क्योंकि like dust that our face goes through during the festivities, cause we travel, गाड़ियों में बैठते हैं, धूल मिट्टी छोटे छोटे dirt particles, it just stays on our skin. और अगर आप वो सिर्फ पानी से धोगे, it won't be like, it won't go. So for that I have opted for this really affordable, like it's under 100 rupees. So it's like clean and clear ka pimple clearing face wash which looks like this, and it is from Johnson Babies. And if you know ki Johnson's Baby is the most trusted brand after Himalayas, which काले धुएं होते हैं, they can definitely affect our skin. So yes, for that this one is a savior. So this one was for like how much? This one was for 76 rupees or something, and holy grail. So just opt for this. I don't have any dupe for this one. Okay, so this face wash contains salicylic acid and neem, which works on your pimples. And if you have pimples, गायब हो जाएंगे. This works like magic. And festivities में, of course, like the dust, the pollution which we get during Diwali. Like, so let's start with actual makeup. So the actual makeup usually starts with the foundation. I have two options for you guys. One is this Rose Lip की BB cream, which is like a silk foundation. Like BB cream ही कह सकते हैं इसको, like really smooth on your skin, gentle to your skin, or very lightweight. And the second one is this Mars Come Use foundation, which is like a really full coverage foundation, which I am wearing right now. So I have given you two options, and if you don't want to choose from these two, you can go for that like Lakme CC cream, amazing. And the second one was going to be like that Maybelline ka Fit Me foundation, that is also amazing. So I have give you options for CC and foundation again. If you don't want to pick from these two, which I have presented to you guys, which I have tried and I have trusted on, both are really affordable. But the CC cream is also affordable of Lakme, but that Maybelline ka Fit Me foundation will go for like 400 or 200 or something. So yes, you can choose between those two. Firstly, I have used this golden shade, which looks something like this, like literally golden. And then for the ends, like thoda black eyeshadow. So yes, half like, I don't know, I just felt for this like that shimmery black eye look. So thumbs up to my Jaclyn Hill palette, which always supports my eye look. So yes, really high end. For this, I don't have any dupe with me right now, cause as I've mentioned, I have packed that and my pouch is khali, so I don't have anything. Yes, if you don't want this Jaclyn Hill palette, you can use any golden and black, because golden is a savior on your blacks, and it looks definitely amazing. So yes, I had that mini version of that Maybelline wala ek rose gold color ka palette आता था, that had that golden and black eyeshadow. So that is an high-end product. So it's your choice what you want to use. So yeah, because we were going outstation, तो मैंने उसके लगेज पैक करके अपना सारा मेकअप I have in my bag and in my car. तो तभी जो मिला उससे मैंने विंग आइलाइनर कर लिया. Okay, to use it concealer, it's your personal choice. I have used this MAC Cake Circle concealer, like, and I have opted for that old wala, like 90s, like typical 90s makeup. तो like यहाँ पे concealer, upper eyes, इधर नाक पे, and that square वाला, और that triangle वाला concealer वाला thing जो early 90s में होते थे, which actress looked amazing, in which actors looks used to look amazing. So yes, this is what I've opted, and it's like a retro, like old makeup look, like 90s makeup look. So yes, it's your choice for the concealer, and for concealers I've given you the choice. But my babes, for your pink eyeliner, and if कोई बहाना ज़्यादा दूंगी, so yes, I've used a mini version of any eyeliner which I found near me. Okay, so as per the loose powder, you have two options for setting your makeup, like your under eyes, यहाँ पे nose पे लगाने के लिए. So I opt for like loose powder and that compact powder both, cause अच्छा इफेक्ट चाहिए था मेरे को फेस्टिवल्स के लिए. So for the loose powder, I've used this MAC का Close Skin loose powder, really affordable, amazing. As you guys can see, like अगर ये लूज पाउडर नहीं होता और मेकअप फिक्सर नहीं होता तो ऐसा लगता लाइक दैट पीकिंग इफेक्ट, दैट केकी इफेक्ट विल बी देयर ऑन माई फेस. सो येस, दिस प्रोटेक्टेड मी फ्रॉम नॉट गेटिंग दैट केकी लुक, like that cakey under eyes. So yes, a big thumbs up to this baby as well. And if you don't want to use this makeup product, again you can go for that Maybelline ka Fit Me loose powder. So yeah, I have opted for mascara as usual, cause I don't really, I can't like really carry that eyelashes on during festivals when we all dance and puja ke time खासकर तो. So yes, mascara is a savior, and for the process of applying the lashes are, which I will tell you guys cause extra information. So उसके लिए आपको mascara से अपनी real eyes को लेयर करना पड़ता है, तो मस्कारा तो चाहिए. फिर ग्लू की हेल्प से यू हैव टू like apply the lashes. So I have opted for this MAC Hue Totty Lash Savior, stays long, really cool, really good. So yes, for the lipstick I've opted for this Kiss Beauty की matte lipstick, which is like matte or it is transfer proof. So yes, transfer हो जाएगी. So if you don't want any transfer proof lipstick, you can definitely opt for that Huda Beauty की waterproof lipstick. That will be amazing. But for this video I've opted for this. Okay, so as you guys love me and as you guys know that I am a big भुलक्कड़, तो उसके लिए I have to note each and every makeup product के बारे में भी, and थोड़ी extra information भी जो मैंने आप लोगों को दी है. So if this video gets like decent amount of response, I'll do this video more often than my makeup tutorials, cause both are preferable और लोग दोनों को पसंद करेंगे. So yes, I hope you guys love this video. So yes guys, that's for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and so meet you in my next video. Bye.